everyone, today we will do idioms. Idioms make our communication better. If you are preparing for your Ielts exam, then definitely these idioms can help you to achieve higher scores, higher bands. So you need to learn idioms so that you can use it into your speaking, into the part 3 questions or into your cue card also. But the most important thing that you should know the proper usage of it. It is not just to learn the idioms, but you should know where and how to use it. That thing is very much essential. Okay, the first idiom is like a kid in a candy store. This is the idiom which used to describe any happy moment. As you can recognize from its name, like a kid in a candy store means a kid has lots of choice to choose from. So he is too much excited, he is too much delighted. So at that time you can use this idiom. It means that you are enjoying into a situation too much that you can't control your behavior. For example, visited a mall. There were so many options and I felt like a kid in a candy store. Or you can speak in the cue cards like, when I heard that information or when I heard that news, I felt like kid in a candy store. So in this way, you can express your happiness. Second idiom is driving me up the wall. Now it means that you are saying that you are in anger or you are feeling irritating from somewhere or somebody's behavior. So at that time, you can express your feeling by saying driving me up the wall. For example, the hustle bustle of the city made me driving up the wall. Or the hustle bustle of the city drove me up the wall. Or you can also say, when I visited to her house, her nature was driving me up the wall. So, if you want to express your anger, you can use this idiom. Next idiom is step into the shoe of other. Now, it means that you wanted to be like other person or you wanted to do the work of other person. For example, if you have a role model, then you want to be like her or him, then at that time you can express your feeling by saying step into the shoe of other. Or for example, like my mother is a great cook. When it comes to cooking, I stepped into her shoe. So जैसा वो cooking करती हैं वैसे ही मैं करना चाहती हूँ या मैं करती हूँ. So at that time you can use this phrase. Next phrase is day and night. Now this is a very common idiom. Whenever you want to say that you do an activity without any stoppage, there is a continuity in your activity, at that time you can use this phrase, day and night. Like, I study day and night to get good marks. I study day and night to crack the exam. Or you could also say that I have been working hard to move to Canada. So these are the sentences where you can use these idioms. These are the situations. I hope these idioms are clear. There is one more. Yes, you can also say break a leg. Break a leg means to wish good luck to other person. So instead of saying good luck, you can say break a leg. Like, you have an exam tomorrow, break a leg. Or you could say that you are going to crack the exam, break a leg. So instead of saying good luck or wish him a good luck, you could say break a leg. I hope these idioms are very much easy and you have understood it. Do like, share and subscribe for such more videos. So see you in the next video. Till then, thank you. Bye-bye.